Welcome back to the Academy. Today we're tackling a classic Anthropic interview question about handling AI hallucinations in production. When your AI tells a customer a fake policy, you don't just look dumb, you get sued. That's why product managers care. Trust takes years to build, and one bad AI answer to break. So how do we fix it? Let's walk into a busy newspaper newsroom. You have a reporter who writes fast and guesses facts. And you have a fact-checker who reads slowly and kills bad stories. In a good newsroom, the reporter's draft never goes to print until the fact-checker signs off. Nothing hits the front page without that final check. In AI, we call this grounding. It means forcing the model to check its work against a trusted source before answering. Grounding is just the digital version of our newsroom fact-checker. Here is the pipeline. The AI drafts an answer. A checker reads your source doc. It compares the two. Then, it publishes or rejects. The main AI writes a quick draft. Then a second, smaller AI reads your actual company manual. If the draft says refunds take 10 days, but the manual says 5 days, the checker blocks it. The fake code gets crossed out before the customer ever sees it. But here is where the newsroom metaphor breaks down. Human fact-checkers know when they don't know something. AI fact-checkers will just confidently make up a new rule if you don't constrain them. Your checker needs a strict boundary. It can only use the exact manual you give it, nothing else. Let's say a user asks if they can return a used laptop. The AI draft says yes, within 30 days. But your source manual clearly says laptops must be unopened and returned in 14 days. The checker catches the lie and rejects the draft, falling back to a safe response. So what do you actually do? First, build a clean source doc. Give the checker one single source of truth. Second, set a strict fallback. If confidence is low, route to a human. Don't just ship the raw model and hope for the best. You'll need a vector database to store your manual, a guardrail API to run the checks, and a human handoff system for the rejects. Never let the reporter publish without the checker. Grounding turns a wild guesser into a reliable clerk. See you in the next lesson, where we evaluate RAG systems.